Hey, don't you tell her I opened the door for you. Don't you tell her I let you in here.
Come on,
tell her
that was a good meal.
Yeah, that was good.
Ooh, that food.
Sorry I'm late. Hey,
Good to see you.
Wait, how you get in here?
You too.
What's up, son?
Me.
Graduation boy. Yo, I'm sorry I'm late. All right, I had to miss dinner. I got caught up, but
That's all good.
thought I would come here.
Hey, Dad, you remember my friend Davi?
What's up, Doc?
Tornado emergency in New York City. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. At 7:56 p.m., law enforcements were tracking a violent tornado approaching Union City, New Jersey, and moving east at 40 miles per hour. On its present course, it will impact the heart of the New York City area. While the destructive power of this tornado may diminish as it passes over the Hudson River, it still has the potential to cause major damage to New York City. Location in the Manhattan area, expected to be directly impacted by this tornado, are in the area between 14th Street and 86th Street. Take immediate tornado precautions. Protect yourselves immediately. All residents of New York City are